Oh, you're filming. Let's go, treacle. This place is fine. Hurry up. Get to move.
Get the lawyer. Move now.
You stand here, face the front, and keep this cage open.
Oi! Stand there and shut up. Look at the lot of you. Sued by the gut in your realization. If you think you're getting your hands on that blue tick, I think again. None of you get out alive. That is for sure. Assassins, stand down. All cages locked and secured. By this one, I'll deal with it myself. Welcome to the game. There is no turning back. There is no fate, and there is no survival. And I've got one last thing to say to your sorry faces. You're done.
Oh god, oh god, oh my god.
Move! Hurry up! Get to move on!
I've been stuck in here for so long.
And hang your intestines up on these rafters and hang you with them. You're in my house now.